In this video, we'll be looking at some of the techniques for going up and down ramps and slopes, and then we'll be taking it out into some real-world situations.
Using long pushes going up the ramp, I lean a little forward, preventing tips backwards. Going down, I keep my hands on the push rims to control my speed and lean backwards into my chair, preventing tips forwards. For steeper ramps, I get speed up going in and keep pushing as I'm ascending, leaning backwards into my chair again as I go down the slope. Going down the ramp, I let the push rim slide through my hands to control the speed more effectively. You will see this again later. Here, I am supported with a strap on the back of my chair. As I descend the ramp this time, I go down in a wheelie position, employing back wheel balance. This is effective for going down steep ramps as you can keep your body position level, which can help prevent tipping forwards in your chair, especially if you have a weaker core. It can also help on uneven slopes, where your caster wheels may get stuck. Another option is to go down slopes backwards, although it is very important to be aware of your surroundings, keep looking behind you, and lean forwards in your chair to prevent tipping over backwards. Here, Will is demonstrating some of the techniques. He is letting the push rim slide through his hands so he can better control his speed and travel down the slope more smoothly. This technique of back wheel balance down a slope is effective for controlling speed, steep descents and bumpy terrain. Coming up the slope, Will is using the handrail to aid himself, providing leverage to more easily pull himself up the slope. If you're interested in what you've seen and would like to come along to one of our wheelchair skills courses, take a look at our website to see details of our upcoming courses. Our website is www.experiencecommunity.co.uk. We hope to see you at one of our courses soon.